Now we are going to move towards the last process, that is process management process. The term process management usually refers to the management of engineering processes and project management processes, where a process is nothing but it is the collection of related structured tasks that produces a specific service or product to address a certain goal for a particular actor or set of actors. It means that this software, or we can say process management process, are used to handle the different processes which are used to implement the software project. In addition to that, whichever the different management processes we are going to use, that processes also need to be handled by this process management process. The process management offers a project organizations a means of applying the same quality or improvement and defect reduction techniques used in business and manufacturing. The processes by taking a process view of project activity, modeling discrete activities and high level processes. The process management processes which uses a framework called as a capability maturity model, which is nothing but developed by a software engineering institute, by which the process management processes are executed. It means that this framework is one of the most popular framework for the software process improvement, which is the part of, we can say, the software development life cycle. The process management is nothing but which is related to both the processes, that is development processes as well as management processes. So to handle these processes, the process management need to be defined a framework by which those processes, that is process management processes, can be executed. This framework describes a 5-level evolutionary path that software processes follows in moving from immature processes to the more mature processes. The immature process is nothing but that projects are executed without any guidelines, and the outcome of such project is depends upon, or you can say mainly depends upon the capability of the team and the project leader of that team. It means that whenever we are going to use the immature processes for the software development, those immature processes, or you can say such project doesn't have any guidelines for the improvement. So whenever or whichever the success of that project is mainly depends in such, or you can say for such immature processes, is mainly upon the team of the development and the project leader of that project. Whenever we are going to use the more mature processes, the more predictable results, or you can say more quality result, can be achieved and can be well controlled into the development of that project. Whenever we are going to use the higher maturity level, the better development result that we can achieve. The each maturity level specifies with a certain characteristics for the processes. The more advanced characteristics that are found in more mature software processes. Hence, the CMM framework describes the key elements of software processes at different levels of maturity. It means that the CMM framework defines the 5 different processes, which of those all 5 processes is having their own different characteristics for each of that process. the each of those characteristics which are defined for each the process, if it is followed, the quality of the process management processes will be more, or you can say those processes are called as the more mature processes for the software development process. Whenever we are going to use the more mature processes, then the quality will be again obviously will be more, or you can say increased, rather than, or you can say as compared to the use of immature processes for the development. It means that more the mature process we will use, higher the quality that we can achieve from that software development process. A well defined maturity level, or you can say levels, or you can say software processes which are included into that CMM, that is capability maturity model, is nothing but, or which consists of the initial process, repeatable process, defined process, management process and optimizing process. All these processes have their own characteristics which need to be followed by each of the software development for achieving more quality result of that software development. In that case, obviously whenever the characteristics will be followed by of all these processes, then the quality, or you can say those processes are, we can call it as the mature processes. So this is nothing but about the process management process, which includes, or we can say which depends upon the framework called as capability maturity model, which has 5 different processes, or we can say 5 different stages, which are nothing but initial, repeatable, defined, managed and optimizing. Whenever we will follow these processes which has their own characteristics to achieve the quality, then that processes are called as mature processes. The question can be asked for 4 marks. Write a note on the process management process. Expected points are: what is mean by process management, then which are the processes which are included into this process management, then what is CMM, that is capability maturity model framework, then we have to explain all these 5 processes of that CMM, that is capability maturity model, that is initial, repeatable, defined, managed and optimizing, for 4 marks. Thank you.